speaking for myself, this edifice of the Constitution and read as a whole as a text is premised on one fundamental principle, that is self-governance. And the most important is that right of vote.
Yes.
No one is arguing that.
Yes.
Now, people had voted for a particular political party. And I don't know, I had given a written order, and why the Commission is shying away from showing its bona fides that it did its best to conduct the elections fairly, just because that is very crucial. And here we have a situation where the major political party for which the actual stakeholders had voted, they were, whether it was mala fide or for whatever reason, were excluded from that political process. It is about the fundamental rights of the people. It's not about political parties. But again, you see, when we come to 51D, you see, it's exclusively the right of the political parties. It does not give any weightage to the independents. It's all about exclusion. Yes, as my Lord has correctly stated, there were serious questions raised regarding the elections that were conducted in 2018. And it had raised serious questions on the Election Commission as well. So, are we going to repeat that? Are we just remain silent about it and allow the people to suffer and their fundamental rights be violated? And that is what is not being argued on behalf of those actual stakeholders.
My Lord, and that vote is reflected. If I may come to CMA number 5840 of 2024. This is by the Election Commission of Pakistan.
CMA number?
5840 of 2024. The fictional example is actually not a fictional example. It is actually happened.
By the way, since you're on this point of Muslim, non-Muslim, you only permit Sunnis in your party.
No, ये तो वो नहीं.
आपका नाम है, मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ.
सर, लेकिन ये क्लॉज कोई नहीं है, मुसलमान है जी.
बाकियों को आप मुसलमान समझते हैं?
नहीं सर, हम सबको मुसलमान समझते हैं. 5840 of 2024. This is by the Election Commission.
कौन सा पेज?
Sir, page 54.
जी. क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं?
जी सर, ये खैबर पख्तूनख्वा असेंबली में अगर आप देखिएगा, इंडिपेंडेंट्स के अलावा जिनकी 91 सीट्स थी.
ये कौन सा इलेक्शन है?
ये 2024 का. जो बाकी पार्टीज हैं उनको सिर्फ 18 सीटें मिली हैं इन ए हाउस ऑफ 115.
व्हाट पेज?
पेज 54.
जी.
In a house of 115, they have got only rest of the parties.
You said it once.
18. उनको रिजर्व सीट्स कितनी मिलती हैं? 30. 26 women, 4 non-Muslim. This is no longer a fictional example. It has actually happened in this case. This disproportionality.